Hi guys, this is Randy at A Fresh Squeeze Life, and today we're going to make a really fun and simple craft. We're going to make these DIY cinnamon scented ornaments, and you can use them either on your Christmas tree or you can them together for a garland on your mantle. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more DIY crafty goodness. Now we're going to gather our supplies. You're going to need 1 cup of applesauce, 1 1/3 to 1 1/2 cups of cinnamon, small cookie cutters, a toothpick or a kebab skewer, tin foil, and a baking pan. The first thing you want to do is stir together the applesauce and the cinnamon. And I will say this is kind of an odd mixture. It takes quite a while to mix it together. So take your time. And then what you also want to do is make sure that once it's mixed together, it's going to be dry enough that it doesn't stick to your rolling pin when you roll it out. So take your time on this one and feel free to add a few more tablespoons of cinnamon as needed. Now you're going to take a cutting board, or you can just do this on your kitchen counter. You're going to sprinkle out a pretty good amount of cinnamon to keep your mixture from sticking. And then what you want to do is you want to sprinkle some on the rolling pin as well. And you can actually sprinkle a pretty good amount on the rolling pin. And you're going to roll the mixture out until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. Now this is the fun part. You get to pick which size cookie cutter you want to use. I use one that is about 1 inch. You're going to cut out your pieces out of your mix and put them on a baking sheet. You can keep rolling and re-rolling this dough until you've cut out every single piece of it. Once you have all of your cinnamon pieces cut out and placed on your baking sheet, you're going to take your kebab skewer and make a hole in the top of each of your shapes. Once you've done that in all of your shapes, you're going to bake these at 200 degrees for approximately 2 hours. You're going to be able to tell when these are completely dry. Once they're dry, let them cool completely and use them to decorate as you want to. Once you're done with your shapes, you can use them for a number of things. You can use them to decorate your tree, create a garland, or decorate your gift packages. Just be creative and have fun with these. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY crafty goodness. See you next time.